We started with a semi-gutted boiler room, as you can see here. The image you are seeing is a point cloud with millions of points to accurately place walls, equipment, and all points of concern for our fabrication drawing. As this turns to the left, you'll see large piping and a pump. It's a fire pump there, which we will see in a minute in the 3D virtual model that will be created from this point cloud. There you have it. You are getting a virtual tour of the 3D layout of this boiler room. We're walking behind the boilers right now towards the existing water service, the blue line there. There's the fire service, the red, it's connected to the fire pump. We did not show all the piping because I just needed to get the general layout of that so we wouldn't collide with it. There you see the hot water supply header with all the pumps on it. The red piping obviously is hot water supply. The yellow piping to the left that you're going to walk into is the natural gas system. And then of course that blue is the water service line. And the orange is your hydronic return header and piping coming back from the building. That's a fire pump control panel that you see there, that gray box. And those orange vessels are water heaters, and the green line is a domestic water return. Now you're going to see what actually took place in the install based on the drawings. Coming into the boiler room from the outside. Here's the install work that took place from the drawings. All right, we're going to go up, taking a trip to the ceiling. You're going to see how the lines are stacked on top of each other in a coordinated layout to fit. Very nice. Now we're going to show you a plan view of this work. This is a looking down through the ceiling to the boiler room. As you can see, we're getting it in a position of plan view on the screen right now. This is the drawing that was created as a result of the 3D modeling in the point cloud environment in Autodesk Revit. Here you can see the section views. These are the spool drawings derived from the BIM model. These drawings are complete with sizes, fitting list, and pipe lengths for shop fabrication. So from point cloud to 3D model and physical space coordination to scaled construction drawings to spool fabrication drawings and cut lists, job well done.